Antiviral drugs. These are used to treat viral infections. Viruses proliferate and replicate inside of the host, using host's machinery. Hence it becomes difficult to develop such drugs that should not harm the host. Antiviral drugs do not kill the viruses. They inhibit the reproduction of viruses by interfering its life cycle. Viruses have a protein code capsid, inside of which its genome is present. It could be either RNA or DNA. Apart from that, viruses also have some receptors for the purpose of attachment to the host cell. The life cycle of a virus. First of all, attachment takes place. Virus attaches to the host cell by the help of receptors of viral and the host cell. After attachment, the virus enters inside of the host cell by endocytosis or fusion. Now, the virus releases its genome. This step is known as uncoding. With the host cell machineries, the virus starts replicating itself and make thousands of new viruses. Mechanism of action of antiviral drugs. Receptor inhibition. Some drugs binds to the receptors of viral and host cells that inhibits the attachment of virus to the host cell. Inhibiting uncoding. There are some protein which are responsible for the release of viral genome into the host cell. So, some drugs targets these viral proteins and impairs the protein function, resulting in inhibition of uncoding process. Inhibiting replication. Many viruses have RNA as their genetic material, so these viruses undergoes reverse transcription to prepare the DNA and requires an enzyme, reverse transcriptase. So many drugs targets this enzyme to inhibit the process, and these drugs are generally nucleotide or nucleosides analogs that competitively enters the DNA chain and stops the process. They are safe for humans, as our cells do not perform reverse transcription. Inhibiting translation. These drugs uses antisense mechanism and are made up of short synthetic nucleic acid strands that are complementary to the viral mRNA and inhibits the translation or protein synthesis. One such example is Antiviral drug used in HIV. Inhibiting release of new viruses. Some viruses require an enzyme named neuraminidase to release its progeny viruses. Hence, drug targets this enzyme to stop the release of new viruses from the infected host cell.